What is everyone watching TNWS channel, and in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can fix network problem or mobile data not working problem in Realme 8s or Realme 8s 5G. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest videos. So if you're facing network problem or mobile data not working or not connecting problem in Realme 8s or Realme 8s 5G, simply first of all just go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your problem.